Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Start by removing makeup and sunscreen so products absorb. You want a clean surface. Next, wet your face with lukewarm water. Too hot will dry you out. Dispense 1-2 pumps of the Mamaearth face wash into your palm, then massage into skin in circular motions for about 30-45 seconds to dissolve oils and debris. Once done, rinse thoroughly and pat dry with a soft towel. Make sure not to rub, because that can irritate sensitive skin and undermine the routine's benefits. After cleansing, tone to rebalance pH and prep skin for active ingredients. Apply Mamaearth toner on a cotton pad and sweep gently from the center of your face outward. 1 to 2 passes is enough. While skin is slightly damp, apply the serum or targeted treatment. A pea-size amount spread with light tapping helps absorption and prevents waste. Once absorbed, follow with the Mamaearth moisturizer. Layering while skin retains some moisture locks hydration in and increases efficacy. Finish your morning routine with a broad-spectrum SPF 30 or higher. Apply roughly 1/4 teaspoon for face and neck. Reapply every 2 hours if exposed. For nighttime, seal everything with a richer cream or facial oil if you need more moisture. If you ever notice stinging, redness, or unusual peeling, stop the suspected product immediately and test a small patch for 24-48 hours before reintroducing. If problems persist, consult a dermatologist. This prevents worsening and helps you identify the trigger.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.